Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video I will show you how to find applications folder on Mac. If you have just started on Mac, then you might be looking for the folder that holds all your applications, and I'm going to tell you how to find that. All you have to do is come to the dock and find this icon that says Finder. In Windows you have File Explorer, but in Mac you have Finder. It's the equivalent of File Explorer in Windows. Click on it to open Finder. On the left hand side of Finder window, you are going to find several options. You have AirDrop, using which you can send data to your iPhone or any other Mac device. Then you have Recents, where you can find your recently opened or saved documents, and then you get your applications folder. Click on it, and this is going to open the folder that holds all your applications. You also get Documents, Downloads, and Desktop in the Finder sidebar. You can reach your desktop by clicking on it, and you can go back to Applications by clicking on Applications again. Now there is one more way to open the Applications folder. Let me show that to you as well. But let's close this Finder window. To do that, you need to click on this red circle. Click on it to close it. In the versions of Mac before Tahoe, you will find this feature known as Launchpad. Clicking on it will launch it, and you can also see your applications now. You can click anywhere to just close it. There is another way to open the applications folder using Spotlight Search. To open the Spotlight Search, you need to press Command Space. This is going to open the Spotlight Search, and in the search bar, you are going to type Applications. Applications is going to appear over here with the folder icon. Just click on it, and there you go. There is your applications folder. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.